Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Still with me Martin6, and today is Monday 8th of March 2021. Just like always, every Monday I will come and I will give some update about or regarding my trading journal, okay? And still of course using Ichimoku Kinko as my main trading system. Okay, and just like continue from last week, because Saturday and Sunday the market is closed, and my last vlog, also my previous vlog, I already informed you regarding the changing about IC market entity. And if you see now in this MT4 chart, you can see in this corner, in the left corner from your screen, you can see that I'm officially already transferred to IC market Cyprus. Okay, I'm no longer stay with IC market Australia, but now I already moved because the IC market, they moved my account to IC market Cyprus. Okay, you can see here in the left corner of your screen, you can see it clearly. This is state IC market as C live 20. This live 20 is the server. Okay, that mean is I still can manage my trading using the high leverage 1 to 500. Okay, this is actually is up to you how you manage your own trading. Okay, this is just information only, but for me personally, I still prefer to have 1 to 500 leverage. Okay, since that I only have the small amount of money. Okay, just straight to MT4. Okay, now we already on MT4. I will update and make some rundown for every single position that I had. Okay, for the moment I have here China 50. This is the index of China, and it seemed like okay, it's like promising, but we just wait. Maybe the price will form the better look. For now it seems like it's gonna be strong bearish. Okay, but the Kumo cloud is still not yet break out. Maybe a day or tomorrow or after a couple of days the form of the bearish will be visible. But for the moment, even though it look promising, I will not take the position. Okay, this is a Bitcoin, and this is my recent position. Okay, this is my current position. I have $154. Okay, let's take a look one by one. GBP, Swedish kroner, pound sterling versus Swedish kroner. Okay, that's still the same like last week, like Friday. Still floating $68 or 300 pips. USD GPY also, because today is Monday, so the price movement also is not really much. And now USD GPY $64, 300 pips. This one is Swiss franc versus Singaporean dollar, also just the same. Profit $46. And the next trade is USD Swiss franc. Okay, US dollar versus Swiss franc, also the same situation, but now I will move a little bit my stop loss to break even point. And let's check USD $46 floating profit, and this points. Okay, this is the fourth position that I have. Pound sterling versus Australian dollar. Okay, still under the buying level, so that means I have floating minus $10. Okay, And this is my last position that I had is pound sterling Norwegian kroner. Okay, for pound sterling and Norwegian kroner, you can see this is really down the bottom level, nearly hitting the stop loss. But Saturday and Sunday I just leave it without doing anything. Today is green, even though I'm quite worried about this, and you can see this is the worst trading position that I have for the moment. Pound sterling Norwegian kroner minus $60. Okay, this is minus $60. That is, uh, that is quite big. This is minus $300. Okay, because I'm using 0.02 lot. Okay, this is minus 300 pips, and that is equal with $60 minus $60. Okay, let's check again. Okay, and this one is euro versus US dollar. Okay, this one also, of course, if you particular with Ichimoku trading system, this gonna be bearish. It's look really promising. The Kumo cloud is break out. Now the color is green. The Chico span is outer space. And then Gansen Kijun also here almost going out. The candle also 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 candle is red. Let's take a look. Is it really good to take position? But I will take a look. Okay. Now margin level that I have is what 7,000. So margin that I use is $29. $29 since I'm using 1 to 500 leverage. Okay. And this one also USD Danish kroner. This is a bullish. This is the opposite side. One, true. One is bearish. One is bullish. Okay, I will. Okay, let's see how big is the stop loss. Normally, I put my stop loss in this Kumo cloud. Okay, but depend on the pair. Of course, it's depend on the pair. But normally, I'm put 100 or maximum 200. It depends how big the daily range. But if I open the position, if I took this position, I will put my stop loss here in this Kumo cloud. Okay, I will take this position. Okay, it's already hit euro US dollar. Let's take a look. Okay, margin level 6,200%. I will put the stop loss. I will put 1,000 pips. Okay, this is 200 pips. I will move it a little bit here. And this one also, I will open new position. And I will put also stop loss. Put the stop loss. Okay, 200 pips. Move a little bit. This is exotic pair. USD versus Danish kroner. Okay, since this is the exotic pair, so the daily range is not really big. Just that's it. That's it. Okay, let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's take a look in Forex Factory. What do we have Forex Factory today? Today is only one is red. High impact expected about sterling. We'll take a look. What do we have here? Okay, the speaker is Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey. Okay, you can take a look here. What do we have here? So many people posting about information regarding trading. Okay. Today is $152 floating profit. This one is when this 1 2 3, how many pairs is it? Is actually this is almost reaching my target level of my take profit, but let's see until gonna be hitting $80 because this is gonna be $400. Okay. Oh guys, that's it for today update about my trading journal with Ichimoku Kinko here. And I hope I'll see you tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Okay, take care, thanks you for watching, and bye.